Know that you a bad little thing.
I do what I like, I do, I do, I do what I like, I do, I do, I do.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I am Janice Alicia, so if you're new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. So today's video is gonna be how to be a baddie. Now, this is in no way a one size fits all type of thing. Everybody has different things about them that makes them a baddie. Everybody has different things about them that makes them special. But this video is simply just breaking down what makes baddies baddies. So it's gonna be everything from the looks aspect of it, to the attitude aspect of it, to everything in between. Yes, I am aware there are more things in the world than, or there's more to the world than materialistic things or being a baddie, but honestly, I just want to make this video because I know a lot of people wonder what makes baddies baddies. So I just want to break it down for you as simple as possible. And yeah, this is not like a serious video. Like, you don't have to do all these things. You don't have to have all these things to be a baddie. I'm just saying, based on my observations and based on the observations of Instagram models and people who have a huge following and people who aren't considered baddies, what makes them bad. So with that being said, just want everybody to understand that, and yeah, let's just get into the video. Okay, so the first thing that makes Instagram baddies bad are their clothes. Like the places that they shop and their style. A lot of people have the unique styles. A lot of people have very simple, very neutral styles. That's all good, whatever you choose, whatever floats your boat. But yeah, you have to know how to dress. You gotta know how to stunt on these hoes, okay? A lot of places that baddies shop are Fashion Nova. They have amazing deals all the time, great prices, great codes that you can use to get a discount, so you can start there. Pretty Little Thing is another great place to shop because they also have really nice clothes. Another thing that you can do is look for Instagram boutiques, because trust me, a majority of the little pieces and cute things that you'll find will be from Instagram boutiques, and they're just people who love what they do and have really cute, unique things. So an example of that would be this top that I have. It's one of my favorite tops, and I got it on an Instagram boutique. Like, you know, there are places and people all over the world that make really nice things, that put them on Instagram because they might be starting their business up or whatever the case may be. So check those out because they have really great things, and some of them are things that you will never see like in stores because it's their unique idea and their brand. So check the Instagram boutiques out. Do not sleep on them. I'm telling you, just because they're a small business does not mean they're bad. So yeah, just start there, and then if you want to like branch out from there, you can do that, but that's a great place. You have to have at least one pair of hoops, okay? If you want to be a baddie, let alone an Instagram baddie, you have to have a pair of hoops. Like, it's a must. Whatever color suits your skin tone, whatever color you like, whether it be silver, gold, rose gold, whatever, get yourself a pair of hoops, okay? The bigger the better. I have a million pairs. I got the bamboo ones, I got the heart shaped, I got the silver ones, the gold. I love gold so much because it goes with my skin tone so well, but honestly, do what you want to do you boo. The next thing, a statement necklace. That is probably one of the keystones of being a baddie, is having a statement necklace, and that's kind of like the one I have on now. Mine says shawty, but you can get one that says whatever you like on it. You can get your middle name. I have one that says my middle name, which is Alicia. So get one that says something that has meaning to you. I mean, it doesn't always have to have meaning to you. Like, people get baby girl, mommy, you know, cute little nicknames. I got mines on AliExpress for $10. So they don't have to be expensive at all. And it was customized to say that. Yeah, if you guys want to know where I got this necklace from, I will include the link down below. So don't worry about that. I got y'all. You know I always got you. okay? Okay. Baby hairs are the wave now. The wave nowadays. I mean, people have been doing baby hair since way back, but like now they're really popping because I guess, I don't know, people want to bring back things from past eras or whatever. I don't know, I don't care. All I know is that I like it, so you know, make sure your baby hairs are on fleek. You can do, there's so many different styles like that you can do baby hairs in. You just look up a link on YouTube and you'll probably find like one that you like best or that suits you best. But yes, baby hairs are definitely on the list of things that make people a baddie. Alright, so the next thing is lip gloss. Duh. You need yourself some lip gloss, whether it be from Sephora or from the 99-cent store, you know, them cute little roll-on ones that we used to get in middle school. I admit I still have a couple of those lying around here somewhere, but it doesn't matter where you get it from, just make sure it's popping, because your lip gloss gotta be popping out here. Just make sure you got a nice tube of lip gloss. I have one for every bag that every bag that I have has a tube of lip gloss in it, and it just stays there, like, so that every time I grab my bag to go, I have my lip gloss. Your eyebrows, ladies. Eyebrows need to be on fleek. I suggest getting them threaded because getting them waxed over time causes your skin to droop. I recently found that out, but I've been threading for a long time, so I only got my eyebrows waxed like once or twice. But yes, get them threaded, please, for the sake of your skin, and just because I just feel like threading is just so much more neat than waxing, because like you get the wax in the wrong place and then you got patches on your eyebrows. Like nobody wants that. So, and then like you don't even need to fill them in half of the time. Like if you use castor oil regularly, if you use castor oil, then like your eyebrows will get fuller. So yeah, do that. Make sure your eyebrows are on fleek and you're gonna stay on fleek. Also nails. I keep my nails done all the time. Like I have an appointment every 2 weeks to get them filled. Yeah, just go to a nail tech. Once you find the nail tech that does your nails the way you like it, keep going to them. It's not worth it to try to be switching up and then get somebody who messes up your nails, because we don't have money to waste out here. So make sure they know what they're doing, and once they get that shape that you like, just keep going to them, because wasting money is a no out here. Highlighter. Okay, blind these bitches. Okay, so that is the looks aspect of it. The baby hairs, knowing where to shop, lip gloss, chains, getting nails done, your eyebrows done. That's how you stay on fleek. But there's also more to being a baddie than just looking good, and that's what we're about to get into right now. No fucks given. Do you, boo. You don't have to answer to anybody. You don't owe anybody a damn thing, so why do you have to care what they think? Like, do you. You can't waste time worrying about what other people think. I just want to say, being a baddie does not mean being stuck up or mean or arrogant, because yes, even though a lot of the people who possess these traits look good, quote unquote, that's not cute. Like, it's 2018, why do you have to be mean? Like, what are you really trying to prove? Like, just be you. So yeah, like I said before, it's not about the materialistic things. Have a good heart, be a good person. I mean, have a good heart, be a good person, but don't take shit from anybody, okay? We nice, but we don't play. Another thing, good music. Good music. Like, have your playlist lit. I'm telling you, like, you doesn't even, looks aside, if you have a good playlist, like, that's the best way to make friends, to connect with people. Like, music really brings people together, and if you listen to good music, it takes you from like here to here. Also have a wide range of music. Like, you don't gotta bump trap all the time. Like, you can listen to your little pop, your little this, your little that. Like, if you, the wider your range, the better, honestly. And SoundCloud is a great place to find good undiscovered music. and artists. Like all the artists that you see that have come up probably started on SoundCloud. Some of the artists that I love and that I listen to are Gold Link, Masego, Bryson Tiller. Now, the list can really go on and on, but like SoundCloud is where it's at. Take poppin' pictures. Instagram baddies are baddies because of Instagram. Like they take good pictures. People come to their Instagram to see them, their pictures, because they take poppin' pictures. So learn your angles, get good lighting. You could even look at different people's pictures for inspiration. That does not mean copy them though. Bring your own little twist to it, and that's just how you start. You just gotta start. Confidence. People can spot a sheep from a mile away. Do not be out here copying people or trying to be something that you're not, because people can sense it like that. Find your style. Be comfortable with who you are. Read books if you have to. Books are really a great way to expand the mind and also find out about yourself. It's okay if in this point in your life you don't fully know who you are, but you clearly know when you're pretending to be something that you're not, and you feel it, and it's not a good feeling. So you gotta have confidence. Like, you can go on Pinterest or different websites to find like questionnaires to answer questions about yourself, because honestly nobody should know you better than you know yourself. So get comfortable in your skin, get comfortable with who you are. Remember you're popping, you're beautiful, all of that. And remind yourself of it every single day when you look in the mirror. And that's the road to being more confident. Also, we do not take shit from these fuckboys. Leave him alone, sis. Drop him. Like, you deserve so much better than somebody who is not sure about you, or somebody who does not treat you the way that you should be treated. We're not taking that anymore. It's 2018. We're all about the glow up. We're all about finding out who we are. We're all about loving ourselves, and we're all about not taking shit from these people who don't deserve us. So you don't need him, sis, okay? Trust me, there's somebody out there who will treat you the way that you deserve to be treated, and it's not him. If he cannot treat you right, he does not deserve you. So the last thing I'm gonna leave you guys with today is take care of yourself. You can have all of these things on this list, but if you don't take care of yourself, canceled. Give yourself a little face mask, go get a mani-pedi, watch your favorite movie, write, read a book, whatever makes you happy and makes you feel like you're living your best life, then you should do that. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm gonna have so much more for you guys, and just let me know what else you want to see. Love you guys, and I will see you in my next video.
Trippy in my wall, yeah. Trippy in my tall, yeah. Nice to see that when I walk, yeah. Trip, the way I walk, look at me flex, I got a saw, yeah. Look at the wave, yeah. Moving like I'm on a wave.